Hello guys, if you have a Google TV from any brand like the Hisense Google TV, TCL, Sony Google TV, then you must have noticed that there is actually no Google Play Store app anywhere on the home page of your Google TV or even on the app section of your Google TV. But there are basically two ways to open up Google Play Store on any Google TV. The first method is to simply go over to this search bar over here. So you want to come over to this search bar and then enter the search bar. Go ahead and type Google Play Store or Google Play. Once you're done, click on the search icon and this is actually going to open up the Google Play Store app on your Google TV. Another method which is even easier is to use the voice command on any brand of Google TV remote control you have. Long press on it and say open Google Play Store. And again, this is actually going to open up the Google Play Store app on your Google TV. So you can actually browse through all of the app from the Google Play Store of your Google TV and download any app or install them directly from here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.